how to solve so this is a general quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. How to solve this equation? A big idea is if we can rearrange the equation into a shape something like y squared equals to d, where d is a constant, so we can solve y equals to plus or minus square root of d if d is non-negative. So that's the objective. So how do we arrange the quadratic equation into this shape? I'll show you how to do that. So first we factor out a out of the first two terms at the left side of the equal sign. So we single out a out of the first two terms. So what do we get is something like this. So if you multiply a back into the brackets, you will get the same, you will get the original form. Okay, and then we try to write the two terms inside the bracket and into a form of the summation of a square plus some other number. So what do we get? We get so notice here now we got x plus b over 2a squared minus b over 2a squared, and then if you expand them and do some canceling, definitely you will get the original form. Okay, and now we multiply a into the brackets. What do we get? We get a multiplied by first term, a multiplied by the second term, plus c equals 0. And now we want to move the second term and the third term to the right side of the equal sign. So we get something like this. And then we can divide both sides of the equal sign by a, because now we know a is positive. We can divide both sides by a. We got x plus b over 2a squared, which is equal to b over 2a squared minus c over a, which is equal to so typically we use delta to represent the term, b squared minus 4ac. So now we have three cases. So case 1, if delta is negative, which means something squared is equal to a negative number, which is impossible. So we don't have any solution. So case 2, delta is equal to 0. We have one solution, or you can say we have two identical solutions. So we get x plus b over 2a squared, which is equal to 0. So we get x is equal to minus b over 2a. So that's the only solution. So case 3, we have x plus b over 2a squared equals b squared minus 4ac divided by 4a squared. Now we take the square root of both sides. We get x plus b over 2a equals plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 4a squared. So again, because a is positive, we have x plus b over 2a equals plus or minus 2a as the denominator, and the and then we subtract b over 2a from both sides of the equal sign. We get x equals to minus b over 2a plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, and then we combine these two terms into one. So that's minus b plus or minus square root of delta b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. That's the end.